it is Wednesday, which means whether or not. This is when Lauren Oleski asks us a very scientific question, and we basically guess as to what we think the answers are.
But sometimes you guys kind of know what you're talking about.
Or we pretend
we
do.
pretend.
Yeah,
They
we
know.
usually have no idea.
They kind of know.
With this one, it was pure guess, had no idea.
Okay.
So what's the question this
So
time?
this week we're talking about sea breezes. So I asked, when a sea breeze event occurs, blank pressure occurs on land, or occurs on water, while blank pressure occurs on land or forms on land. So it's either high pressure or low pressure. So as you guys know, we do put these out on social media, on our Twitter and Facebook pages, so that you guys are able to, get in on the fun and join us. So let's pull up and see what our viewers thought. I do believe that most of our viewers said that high pressure forms over, there we go. So that high pressure forms over the water, while low pressure forms over land. And then 37% of our viewers flipped it around the other way, saying with low pressure over water and high pressure over land. And of course, we asked our Good Day Columbia crew what they think as well. So most of you guys have all had said that low pressure forms over water and that high pressure forms over land. And then Jason and Taylor, our fantastic producers, said high pressure over water and low pressure over land. Lots of highs and lows, lots of waters and land, so they went with what our viewers said.
Okay, so now let's...
What is the answer?
The answer is, I believe this was A. Congratulations, Jason and Taylor.
Oh,
so
good
it's-
producers.
So it's high pressure forms over water and the low pressure forms over land. What happens is during the afternoon hours, water and land heat up very differently. The water is much cooler than the land. Land becomes much hotter because water has a very high heat capacity, so it takes a lot longer to warm up. So it's generally colder than the surface of the land. So because the land is so much hotter, the air starts to rise.
Okay.
So it starts to kind of create a localized low pressure system.
So that's low pressure on the land.
On the land, where then the water, it has higher pressure because the air over that water is a little bit cooler. So when wind is flowing across our atmosphere, wind flows from high to low pressure. So a sea breeze event occurs when we have that difference in temperature, and we see all of the air flowing from the high pressure over water toward the land. Now that water is humid and moist because it's coming from the ocean. So it moves inland, it goes into where that area of low pressure is over land, it rises, and then it creates those afternoon thunderstorms that we see kind of march inland.
The sea breeze
You
event.
definitely
breeze
said
event.
this during Hermine. I feel like you've explained this, so it goes to show you Jason and Taylor attentively listen to you.
They do listen.
She just said no,
They're
man.
just really good
They're
guessers.
good guessers. So, okay, the first thing I had a tough time with this one was I was like, what the heck is a sea breeze event?
Sea breeze
I
event
know.
is when
Like,
we
is
see
it breezy at the beach? That's all I could think of.
well, that's when we have those thunderstorms roll
Okay.
on, kind of a line of thunderstorms that generally roll on shore.
Very nice.
I thought it was astringent. All
Yeah.
right.
It's like cleans your face, the toner. Yeah. Stay with us, you guys. Much more Good Day Columbia coming up after the break.